Hello everyone. Today I am showing how to maintain calibration coefficients. Open the LED settings software. In the pixel by pixel calibration section, based on the type of your calibration coefficient, choose either brightness or chroma. Then enter the password 168. Go to Set Calibration Switch. Select Calibration Source from Receiver and enable calibration mode. In the bi-pixel interface, click Get Screen Information. You can then import your available calibration coefficient. After that, click Save. You can save it to the receiver or module. Once saved successfully, you can read back coefficient. In the bi-receiver interface, you can maintain the receiver cards. Click Get Screen Information. Import the calibration coefficient. Select the corresponding receiver, then right-click and choose Save Normal Coefficient to Receiver. After a successful save, you can right-click to read back receiver normal coefficient. If you want to maintain the module coefficient, please note that it requires smart modules. First, change the calibration source to module. Then go to module size and enable the module. When you see green dots, it means smart modules have been successfully detected. You can import the calibration coefficient. Then right-click to save normal coefficient to module. After saving successfully, you can right-click on the corresponding module to read back module coefficient. Thank you for watching.